Welcome back to the session on media management and production. In this lecture, we are going to mainly focus on television production. So far we have already discussed some of the camera techniques, and lighting instruments and all. These are all part of television production. So the things that we have already discussed is also part of television production. Other than that, there are some other things also that we need to learn about television production. So we will get into it. So first of all, what we need to learn is television formats. Okay, before we start about television formats, I want to ask you a question that if you are going to watch a television, like any kind of program, mostly you might be using digital media nowadays, like people are less like who are watching television, but still, if you are watching digital or any kind of platforms from wherever you are watching something, from the first 30 seconds, no, you don't even need the first 30 seconds. From the first 10 seconds, you will understand what kind of program that you are going to watch, right? Is it a game show? Is it a reality show? Or is it a news program? You immediately recognize that, right? You don't have to confuse like what it is it about, like is it something else? Do you get confused? No, right? You will, in the beginning itself you will understand, this is something next is going to happen. You know why that is happening? Because from the years of conception that we are having, we are familiarized in our head that okay, this is the kind of program that is going to be, even though we don't know the name of that particular format. Maybe you know the what kind of format it is. Like most of the people don't know what kind of genre it is, like what is this particularly about, but still they know what kind of program it is. So we need to learn about the television formats that we like that are mostly there. So these television formats are mostly known by the product producers, like who is going to produce that particular program, or media managers, or who are related to this, because they are generating revenue, they are generating audiences through their programs. So they are very much specific about their genre, they are very much specific about their television format. So we also need to know what kind of formats that what kind of shows that you're watching, like what have you already watched. So the first one is drama series. So I hope you might have watched a lots of drama series. Maybe, like, I am not generalizing. Some of the people might not have watched any drama series. So what is a drama series? Drama series is a fictional serialized narratives. Like it can go till so many seasons. For example, here I have given Game of Thrones as example. How many of you have watched Game of Thrones? It is actually an 8 season drama series that it is actually talking about the fictional but also a political narrative it has. So it is actually a fictional serialized narratives with so many characters and ongoing storylines. For example, in Mirzapur, Sacred Games, Breaking Bad, and then Game of Thrones, Panchayat. So these are all examples of drama series where has a long episodes. It can go for seasons. Like it is actually a fiction. So this is what a drama series is. Then there is comedy series. Comedy series is different from drama series. In the case of drama, what is happening? In the case of drama, we have to have certain kind of disbeliefs. Like we are going with the narratives, we are going with the character, we are more into the story, we are more into the plot line. But when it comes to comedy series, what is happening is the daily mundane things are exaggerated. We are asked to notice the absurdity in that context. Basically, we are watching a comedy series to relieve our stress. Okay, that is the main reason why comedy series are there. For example, Friends. Friends has 10 seasons, but still it was released in way back, and but still there are youth, there are Gen Z people, there are the people in millennials still watch Friends because of its repeat value, because of its jokes, like how much it is relieving your stress. So comedy series is also something that is designed primarily for the entertainment purpose through humor, situation, or like character, sometimes the character itself. So the most famous one is the Office. and then Friends, Panchayat, which blends drama and comedy. So these are some of the examples of a comedy series. Then there is reality show. Reality, that is one of the most commercially successful thing that, and people are ready to watch reality shows, and it is also some kind of debatable when it comes to like, is it real or is it staged, is it something is completely real. So actually it is to create revenue, it is to create advertising, and also this is actually showcasing real life events, situations or competitions featuring unscripted interactions. This is actually a debatable part, that some of the people say it is completely unscripted, it is completely real, but some of the parts may be staged, some of them may be scripted, like to engage the audience, to create a kind of